So, good evening, friends. Am I audible? Hello. Okay, okay. Actually, friends, today here is some network issue. So, if there is any issue, it seems in the lecture, yeah, kindly tell me. Okay. Okay. So, welcome all of you in today's class. Because in the last lecture that we have taken is was on Friday, right? Friday last week. So we have completed your geography, sorry, your history and political science syllabus. Okay, it is totally covered. Now, this is the geography. Okay, so in geography, we have completed your eighth lessons. Okay, तुमचे मी जवळपास 8 lessons complete केले and in last lecture we have started your ninth lesson, that is tourism, communication, okay, and transport in of India and the Brazil. Actually, we are comparing Brazil with the India and vice versa. Okay. So, am I audible right now to all of you? Hello. Okay. 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 So, I hope all of you have revised the topic that we have covered in the on the Friday. Okay. So, uh, is anybody able to recall what we have covered in the last lecture, the last topic? I hope you have your books of geography with you. Can anybody recall it? If not possible, just tell me. I will take it again because we are going to revise the topic for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, no problem. So, friends, in the last lecture, we were studying about the transport system in the Brazil, and we have covered the transport system in the Brazil, that is roadways, railways, and airways. So, in which area of the Brazil rail network is good, air network is good, road connectivity is better. Okay, so what are the different reason behind that? Okay, even we have seen the waterways in the Brazil, which are the important ports in the Brazil. Okay, so are we able to cover it? Hello. Okay, so I will just share my screen to you and respond in the chat box. Okay, if it is visible or not. Okay, so friends, this is your ninth lesson from the geography. It is the last lesson from your geography syllabus, that is tourism, transport, and communication. Okay. Okay, visible. Thank you. Thanks to internet. Okay. Okay, friends. So in the last lecture, we started your ninth lesson, tourism, transport, and communication. So in that, we have seen some graphs. Okay, tourism and economy, how they are related for the Brazil and for the India. So basically, we have seen that day by day, year by year, the tourist number of tourists that are increasing in India. Okay, while in the Brazil it is almost constant for many years, but India it is sharply increasing year by year. Okay, so that's why there is a contribution of the tourists. Okay, in the economy, tourism has good percentage of the contribution in the economy. So we have covered that for the Brazil and for the India. So Brazil has more contribution of the tourism sector in the total GDP. But in India, it is not like that. In India, though tourists are more in the India than the Brazil, the contribution of the tourism sector in the GDP is not that much. Okay, it is lower than the Brazil. So we have seen the last lecture. Okay, we have seen the geographical explanations for that. Okay, uh, for the Brazil and for the India. Okay, tourism sector in Brazil and tourism sector in India. So in the Brazil, we have seen there are clean white sand beaches, attractive sea coast, beautiful islands, orchards, deep dense forests of Amazon. Okay, where is birds, animals. So these are the things which attracts international tourists in the Brazil. Okay, we have seen this also, and there are also some smart cities like Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo in the Brazil. Okay, which has good infrastructure, good facility, we can say. So people are attracted over here. Okay, so we have seen, and also we have seen for the India. Okay, which are the attractive places in India? Okay, here you can see some pictures. Marine tourism in the Brazil, Ajanta caves in India. Okay, where is Ajanta? Okay, Gateway of India, football stadium, etc., etc. Okay. After that, we saw the transport in the Brazil. Okay, here's the map of Brazil. Okay, here's the index. You can see the major roads, which are major roads in the Brazil. Also, other roads, railway network. Okay, different airports, different ports. So we have seen in the Brazil, road transportation is the bigger one. The large number of transportation in the Brazil is done by the roads. Okay, so we have seen part of the Brazil where network of the road where it is less. We have seen the reason for that. Okay, a northwestern part of the Brazil has very less network connectivity. Okay, by road, by air. Okay, even railway connectivity is also very less. But as we move towards the southeast of the Brazil, then everything increases, I think. Okay, it means rail connectivity is good. Also air connectivity is better, roadways are better. Okay, so we have seen these things for the Brazil, and also we have seen for the, okay, today we will see transport system in the India. So we have just revise this topic in 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so I hope you have got the point, and you will find the connection between today's point and last lecture's point. Okay, so shall we start the topic for today? That is the transport system in India. Okay, I hope everything is good. My voice is clear, and you are able to see the screen also. Okay, then let's start. India transport. Okay, look at the transport maps of India given in the following figure. Okay, and answer the following questions. So based on this graph, they have asked some questions. Okay, which will be discussed right now. Okay, this is the map of India. Here is the index. Red color, or we can say dark pink color, is showing the north south highways. Okay, so friends, you can easily see from the Srinagar to Kanyakumari. Okay, Srinagar to Kanyakumari, there is a north south highway of India. If you see dotted in green dotted west highway, dotted green line is from Porabandar. Okay, it is the one of the port in the Gujarat, that Porabandar to directly, we can say, Imphal or Shillong. Okay, so directly northwest. Sorry, east west. Okay, west to east. So this is the green color. After that, there is a golden quadrilateral. You can see the faint color. Okay, so here quadrilateral starts Delhi. Okay, सुवर्ण मार्ग असं म्हटलं जातं मराठीमध्ये. सुवर्ण चार इम्पॉर्टंट सिटी आहेत त्या सिटी. Okay, golden quadrilateral is Delhi. From Delhi it starts, it moves to the Mumbai. Okay, from Mumbai it moves to the Chennai. Okay, easily you can see here. It finally ends to the Chennai, and from Chennai it again moves to the north, Kolkata, and again from Kolkata, its quadrilateral is completed at the Delhi. Okay, so friends, this is golden quadrilateral. सुवर्ण मार्ग ज्याला जाते. National highways are shown by the gray color. Major ports are shown here. Okay. So friends, let's see what are the questions based on that. Okay. Okay. Still voice is breaking. Hello. Okay. Now. Oh, so that this is make decision. Okay. Just so that you proceed further. Okay, 1 minute, friends. So friends, am I audible right now? Okay, okay, okay. So I have just shown you the map of India, which is showing south, north-south highway of India. After that, we have seen east-west highway of India. We have seen golden quadrilateral, uh, which is connecting four major cities of the India, that is Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. And again, Delhi. Okay. So, do you have your books with you? If it is at you, it will be very easier for you. Okay, okay. So we will just see which are the questions based on that. Okay, so which mean of travel are visible on the map? So all cities is the which is the road is more. So the road on of this part of India, northern part of India, uh, good electricity. But if we move to part of you can see India, so that the density of the road is not that much. Okay, so part of the India, density of the roadways is more. Okay, but friends, they have asked railways. Okay, okay, so railway network is friends. You can see on the railway connectivity. So hi everyone. Okay. Okay, it is clear right now. Am I audible? Okay. Thank you. Okay, so let's move further. Okay, let's take the topic. So friends, they have asked in which part of the India the density of railways is more. So friendly, you can easily see the northern part of the India is having high density of the railway network. So can anybody tell me why this is so? Why the railway network connectivity is more in the northern part of the India? Can anybody tell me? Hello? Can anybody among you tell me that why the connectivity of the railways or network of railway is dense in northern part of the India? Okay, write down in the chat box. Okay, it is also one of the reason, but not accurate. Sitaram Nerurkar. Okay, it can be one reason, but not the main reason. Okay, major reason. So one another reason is that there is a more population. Obvious, Sitaram. Obviously, this is right. Yes. Second one is the topography, the terrain of the land. Okay. So there is the plateau region. Okay, plain region over there. Gange plateau plains. Okay, Ganges plain, even Yamuna plain. Okay. So because of that, the railway lining is here over there. That's why there is a low hilly region and connectivity of the railway is good. Okay, name five important ports and airports of the India. Okay, so five important ports. Kandla, you can see here. Okay, ports. Kandla, Porbandar, Cochin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam. Okay, Kolkata. So these are the important ports of the India. Now let's see which are different important airports. Okay, so friends, airports are shown by the aeroplane sign. Okay, you can easily see Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, even Pune. Okay, so these are the important airways or the airports in the India. Which part of the India have a sparse network of transport? What could be the reason? Okay, so if we go move towards the northeast part of the India and the northern part of India, north of the India. Okay, Jammu Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so if you see these regions, then the road connectivity or the transport network is very sparse, or we can say virala hai. Okay, network connectivity there is very sparse. Okay, so let's see the geographical explanations. So, are you getting the points? Hello? Are you able to connect these the things? Okay. So, any doubt, kindly ask. Okay. Because of the network, frequently I'm asking you. So, don't get bothered. Okay. Okay. So, let's see the geographical explanation. As compared to Brazil, India has a denser network of transports. Obviously, okay. India's transport network density. About 85% of the passenger and 70% of the freight traffic are carried by roads every year. ओके, तर इंडियामध्ये मोठ्या प्रमाणात जी काही माल वाहतूक आहे आणि जी काही प्रवासी वाहतूक आहे तर ती जवळपास रोडने केली जाते. ओके, जवळपास 85% इज बाय द रोड and 80% 70% of the freight traffic is by the road. Freight and passenger transport has been facilitated due to the development of the railways. Okay, as a railway is good developed in India, that freight and passenger transport facility is also very good in India. Railways are important for the growth of Indian economy. Okay, all of you know how important railway transport, okay, for us, for India. It is very important for our economy because uh, the most of the freight, okay, it is after the road. Railway is the major transport facility. Railway network is relatively less dense in the hill states, northeastern state, central parts of the India and Rajasthan, while it is dense in the North Indian plains. Okay, so they have explained why there is a dense network at the northern part and why there is a rare network, or we can say a sparse network. Okay, so at hill states, okay, in the hill states म्हणजे जो काय डोंगरी आपले स्टेट्स आहे, ओके, माउंटेन स्टेट्स आहे, तर त्या स्टेटमध्ये रेल्वे नेटवर्क फारसं वाढलेलं नाही किंवा डेव्हलप नाही. इव्हन नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स म्हणजे जे काय सेव्हन सिस्टर्स आपण म्हणतो, 8 सिस्टर्स वी कॅन से, दॅट इज सिक्कीम, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, त्रिपुरा, मणिपूर, मिझोरम, ओके, नागालँड. So in this region, in these states, the railway network is sparse. It is not that much dense. Also, if you come to the central part of India, मध्य भारताचा तुम्ही जर विचार केला तर मध्य भारतात पण भारतात नेटवर्क रेल्वे कनेक्टिव्हिटी कमी आहे. रेल्वे नेटवर्क हे कमी डेन्स आहे. Even in the Rajasthan, already we know Rajasthan is a desert. Okay, some part of the Rajasthan is a desert. So that's why railway connectivity is uh, very sparse over there. Railways are very important for vast country where distances are large. Okay, so friends, obviously our country uh, is widely distributed, we can say. Okay, विस्तृत पसरलेला आहे आपला देश, from Kanyakumari to Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Okay, and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. So it is sparsely, widely distributed. So if such a distance are too much, okay, then railway transport is a very important mean of the transport. Okay, waterways are a cheap means of transport. Waterways contribute about 1% to the country's transportation. It comprises rivers, canals, backwaters, creeks, etc. Okay, so the contribution of the water is very less, okay, in the transport system of the India. And what is included in the waterways? So it is the rivers, okay, canals, backwaters, creeks. Approximately 95% of India's foreign trade moves through ocean routes. All of you know India is having the very good seashore, okay, coastal region, coastline. So because of that, India has access to the ocean, and it is very helpful for us to move the we can say good through the ocean water. Okay, so up to 95% of the India's foreign trade moves through ocean routes. जवळपास 95% भारताचा जो काही विदेशी व्यापार आहे आपण म्हणूयात, ओके, तर तो हा ओशन थ्रू होतो, समुद्र मार्गे होतो. Apart from international trade, these are also used for purpose of transportation between the islands and the rest of the country. Okay, uh, if we want to go to the is the only route. Okay, are you able to get the points? Hello? Are you understanding it? Okay, voice is breaking for Mahendra Acharya. Okay. What is the situation for other students? Am I audible to them? Okay, as compared to Brazil, airways in India are more developed and the use of internal airways is also increasing. Okay, आपल्याला माहित आहे ब्राझील पेक्षा इंडियामध्ये एअर ट्रान्सपोर्ट जी आहे ओके ती जास्त डेव्हलप आहे. ओके, एअरवेज आर मोर डेव्हलप्ड इन द इंडिया if we compare it to the Brazil. Okay, and also internally in India, okay, we can say interstate transport or the interstate airways system, it is also very good in India. Okay, it is also increasing. Okay, always remember the development of means of transport is an indicator of rapid progress of a country. म्हणजे काय means of transport म्हणजे वाहतुकीचे जे काही मार्ग आहेत मग ते भले रेल्वेज असो, एअरवेज असो, रोडवेज असो. ओके, तर कोणत्याही देशात हे रोडवेज रेल्वे जर जास्त प्रमाणात जर वाढत असतील तर ऑब्विसली इट इज द साइन दॅट दॅट कंट्री इज डुईंग इट्स प्रोग्रेस विथ हाय रेट. ओके, विथ रॅपिड रेट. Okay, friends, communication in the Brazil now. So, in this way, okay, so friends, in this way, we have covered transport system in Brazil and transport system in India. Okay, so you guys have any doubt in this transport system in India and in Brazil? Okay, if you have, kindly ask me. Okay. Okay, because of the network, we are not able to communicate properly, I think. But if still you have any problem, you can ask me anytime. Okay, no issue. Okay, now we will see the communication. Okay, so basically we have covered tourism, we have covered transport system, and now we are going to cover the communication system. So very first we will see the communication in the Brazil. You are already aware of the vast longitudinal extent of Brazil. Okay, so Brazil ची जी काय longitudinal extent आहे तो फार जास्त आहे. Okay, I almost friends. So I hope it is audible right now. We will okay. So we are studying the communication system in Brazil, how communication takes place. Okay, so we already know Brazil is a very big country. Okay, It is almost 5 times of that of the India. Okay, we can say it is almost 5 times of India. So that's why given are the westernmost eastern mainland. So in this figure, they would say and east. Okay. So we can say nascenti Dario Moa. Okay, so this is the westernmost point and Panto the Sexas. Okay, so this is the easternmost point in the Brazil. Am I audible to you? Hello? Okay, for all of you. Okay. So they have asked to calculate the difference in time between the 2 points. Okay. So I hope you have studied about this. Okay, in your previous chapters. -2 hours, -3 hours. Okay, -5 hours. So here are the westernmost points. Let the degree is given over here. Okay. Westernmost point is given. So friends, how to difference of all find that the degree difference between them. Okay, and you can cover that difference of degrees into the of the proportion minute. Point the distance or time. So ask the answer the following questions. How many divisions you see in the what do these divisions signify? What does the term behind the GMT mean? Which part of Brazil is ahead of the other? By how many this part ahead of the others? Okay. What the difference to 1 2 hour and 48 minutes. So basically they have one difference also is 168 minutes means 2 hours and minutes. Okay. Okay. So if here is the 5 p.m. we can say at the follow the 6 years. Okay, let's say there is a 12 noon. Okay, in 12 noon at Ponto the 6 years. But there will be it will be 2.48 minutes, sorry, hours behind. Okay. Okay. There are different time zones in the country. Brazil has 4 time zones. It is behind the GMT by 2, 3, 4, and 5 hours. Okay. So GMT means Greenwich Maritime. Okay, all of you know. Okay. The red line in the map shows the GMT3 time zone, which is considered to be the official Brazilian time. Okay, Greenwich GMT3. BRT, it is called as BRT. इट इज 3 hours बिहाइंड दी GMT. ओके, तर तुम्हाला हे जे काही ग्रीनिच जी लाईन आहे, ओके, तर ग्रीनिशला एक स्टँडर्ड टाइम असं कन्सिडर केलं जातं. जे काही ग्रीनिच जे सिटी आहे, ओके, तर ही ग्रीनिच जी सिटी आहे, तर त्या ठिकाणी ओके ग्रीनिच सिटी जर 12 वाजले असतील, ओके मित्रांनो, जर ग्रीनिच सिटीवर 12 वाजले असतील, तर ब्राझीलमध्ये वेगवेगळे वेगवेगळ्या टाइम झाला असतो. म्हणजे तुम्ही जर -4 याला सिटी या त्या सिटीमध्ये ग्रीनिच शहरामध्ये जेवढे वाजले असतील त्याच्यापेक्षा 2 तास हे मागे असतात. तुम्ही आणखी जर पुढे ब्लॅक लाईनच्या लाईन मध्ये जे सिटीज येतील ब्राझीलमध्ये, ओके, तर ब्राझीलमध्ये ग्रीनिच या सिटीपेक्षा 3 मागे तर तुम्ही या ब्लॅक लाईन कडे आलेला शेवटच्या, इट इज जवळपास 5 hours. ओके, तर ही जवळपास जी काय ग्रीनिच स्टँडर्ड टाइम लाईन आहे, ओके, तर त्याच्या जवळपास 5 hours मागे आहेत. ओके, ओके. सो फ्रेंड्स, स्टिल माय वॉइस इज नॉट ऑडिबल टू यू. हॅलो. Okay, so just tell me, have you studied about this uh, timeline? Okay, have you studied about this timeline or time zones before this? Okay, okay, okay. So I didn't know you have studied it because your previous chapters I have not covered. Okay, it was taken by the different teacher. So already you have studied this. Then I hope you it should not be very difficult for you. तर बेसिकली मित्रांनो मराठीत सांगायचं जर झालं तर ब्राझील ही सिटी फार मोठी आहे. ब्राझील हे जे काही कंट्री आहे हा ही फार मोठी आहे. ब्राझीलचा तुम्ही जर ईस्टर्न पार्ट घेतला, सगळ्यात ईस्टर्न पार्ट, तर ईस्टर्न पार्टला जेवढे वाजलेले असतील तेवढाच टाइम ब्राझील जो वेस्टर्न पार्ट आहे तर तिथे झालेला असेल असं नाही. ओके, कारण जे मधलं जे काही वॉच डिस्टन्स आहे, जेव्हा पृथ्वी रोटेट होते, अर्थ जेव्हा रोटेट होते, तर रोटेट होण्याचं तिचं काही स्पीड आहे. ओके, तर सर्वप्रथम ती वेस्टर्न पार्ट समोर जर आलेली असेल, ओके, जर सन ईस्टर्न पार्ट समोर आलेला असेल, ओके, सो देअर विल बी दी डिफरंट टाइम अँड आफ्टर दॅट sun will move, Brazil will move along with the earth, then it will face the sun. Okay, the western part of the Brazil. Okay, so it is very difficult to imagine. Okay, it is difficult to imagine over online media. Okay, online we are studying through the online medium, so it is very difficult to visualize over here. First of all, we will just cover it. Okay, so development of communication in Brazil. Telecommunication services in Brazil are well developed and efficient. Okay, telecommunication services is good. म्हणजेच तुमचं जे काय मोबाईल कनेक्टिव्हिटी आहे, नेटवर्क कनेक्टिव्हिटी आहे, इट इज गुड इन दी ब्राझील. This industry includes landlines as well as mobile services, television broadcasting, radio broadcasting, and computer or internet access. That thing very good in the today, 5 billion population has access to the more particularly South where North is highly developed. You know that west northwest part much developed because some topography is not good. So yeah. And yeah, of, 'Cause, 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 improve the spine coverage of simulation. Yeah. Population खूप जास्त आहे, काही ठिकाणी कोणीच राहत नाही. पुन्हा काही जर आणखी दूर गेला तर तिथे लोक काय होतं टेलिव्हिजन difficult to expand the coverage of telecommunication services. Okay, friends. So I think voice is not clear for today. Okay, we will stop today for here. Okay, today we will stop over here, and rest of the topic we will complete in the tomorrow's lecture. Okay, is it fine? Hello. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, today you can leave the class for here. Okay, no issue. All the remaining students can also leave the class.